In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to factory reset your iCloud account without an Apple ID if you know the original Apple ID. Before we dive in, it's important to understand that Apple has put robust security measures in place, such as the activation lock and Find My iPhone features, specifically to prevent unauthorized access. These measures continue to protect your device even after a reset. Trying to bypass them without proper authorization can be against Apple's policy and in some cases illegal. So make sure you're following this process for your own device and with full authorization. Let's get started. If you already know the Apple ID that was initially used on the device, resetting your iCloud account involves a few straightforward steps. First, you'll want to navigate to the Settings app on your device. Once you're there, scroll down and tap on General. It's in this section that you'll find the option for Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now that you're in the Transfer or Reset iPhone section, the next step is to select Erase All Content and Settings. This action is quite significant as it will wipe all the data off your device, so make sure you have backed up any important information before proceeding. Once you tap this option, your phone will prompt you for the original Apple ID password. Entering the correct password is crucial here. This step not only confirms your authorization to proceed with the reset, but also serves to turn off the Find My iPhone feature, which is an integral part of Apple's security system. So, type in the Apple ID password when asked, and your device will then disable Find My iPhone. Along with that, it will also remove the iCloud account from your device. Completing this process will essentially prepare your device as though you just took it out of the box. This means your iPhone will no longer be linked to the previous iCloud account and the former data will be erased. And that's it. You've successfully performed a factory reset on your iCloud account, assuming you knew and correctly entered the original Apple ID. Remember, these steps are a part of what makes Apple's ecosystem secure and reliable. Unauthorized attempts to circumvent these protections could result in unintended consequences. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.